Indigo traffic, Skyhawk 13169 are departing 17 to the west, Indigo. And we're in the air. Indigo traffic, Skyhawk 13169 are departing the pattern to the west, Indigo. Alright, so we're at 4,500 feet, but there's some clouds right in front of us, so we're going to have to drop it down a bit. There's Merrill, that's our first VFR checkpoint, same as our last cross country. Heading to the same place, heading to Medford. Taylor County, Skyhawk 13169 entering a left downwind for runway 16 Taylor County.
Medford traffic, Skyhawk 3902 Sierra taking runway 16, departing to westbound, Medford.
Medford traffic, Skyhawk 13169ers on the left base for runway 16 Medford.
Zero 2 Sierra, wait for the traffic.
Copy that, thanks. Medford traffic, Skyhawk 13169, turning final, runway 16 Medford. Nice. Flaps are going up. $60 miles an hour, rotate, and we're in the air. That was nice. Medford traffic, Skyhawk 13169 is going to be left turn, departing to the north, Medford. Eagle River, Skyhawk 13169er is about 3 miles to the south, entering a left downwind runway 22 Eagle River. Eagle River, Skyhawk 13169, left downwind runway 22 Eagle River. Eagle River, Skyhawk 13169er, left final runway 22 Eagle River. Yeah, we're just a little bit off the center of the runway, but that's fine, we'll fix it. Let's get back on the center. No big deal. Oh my gosh, that was smooth. Smooth as butter. And we're back in the air. Eagle River, Skyhawk 13169 is departing pattern to the south, Eagle River. Indigo traffic, Skyhawk 13169, 3 miles to the north, straight in, runway 17 Indigo. Indigo traffic, Skyhawk 13169, 1 mile final, runway 17 Indigo. Didn't quite grease it. It was still pretty good. Stopped really quick.
Indigo traffic, Skyhawk 13169, clear of all runways, Indigo.